In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Janitor AI proxy. So go to Janitor AI, log into your account, just open up any existing chat that you wish to work the proxy with. So for example, this one, so I'll just choose one. And once you've already choose one, so what we're going to do, once you've opened up the chat, click on the three lines which is on your top right there, hamburger icon, click on it, and then select API settings. Click on API settings. From there, you will get to this screen here. And now what we're going to do is click on the proxy tab here under API settings, click on proxy, and you will get to this screen here. So now what we're going to do is you're going to click on this new option here. So we're going to add a new proxy settings. Click on new, and you will get to this screen here. Okay, so now another tab, open up this website here, openrouter.ai, because we're going to get a free model here for the proxy. So just do that, and then go to openroot.ai. Then you can just sign up using your Google account. So just sign up and log into your account. Once you've logged in here, in the search bar here, search for any free model. So one such model is the DeepSeek. So you can just the DeepSeek R1 something. So you can just choose one of these models, one of any free ones here. You can choose that. And once you have chosen it, so now what we're going to do, copy this link here, which says here the copy. Just click on that copy link. So here for the name, give a name. So for example, if you want DeepSeek, so whatever name that you want to give it to, just give it. And for the model, just copy the one here. So this is the model name here. Just copy that. Click on the copy little icon there to copy it, and then you can paste it here. All right. And then for the proxy URL, go to this page, and this is the URL of the proxy. Just go to the address bar and copy that, and then paste it here. Okay, and then for the API key here, what you have to do is go to this open router, and then what we're going to do is click on your profile, which is on your top right, and then go to your settings or preference here, click on it, and from there scroll down. You will see on your left side menu here, you will see API keys. Click on API keys, and then hit on new key, give a name for the key. So just let's say DeepSeek, so just give a name, and then you can set an expiration date if you want to, or you can just leave it and hit on create, and just create the key. So once you have created the key, so now copy this key and go back here and then paste it here. Once you have pasted and custom prompt, here is where you can add the custom prompt. So what do you want, the system prompt for this proxy, you can do that and hit on add that, and once that's done, hit on save, and that's it. Your proxy will now be added on Janitor AI, and that's how you do it.